In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find new arrivals on Walmart 2026. Start by opening your web browser and heading to walmart.com. You don't need anything special for this. The process works the same on desktop and mobile. If you see a prompt to confirm your location or preferred store, go ahead and confirm it so the products and availability you'll see are accurate for your area. Once you're on the home page, take a second to get oriented. You should see the Walmart logo, a large search bar, and promotional banners. What we're after is in the main navigation. Make sure you're on the main page and not in a specific department yet, because the link we need appears at the top. Look toward the top menu, the horizontal navigation bar that runs across the page. This is where Walmart highlights key shopping destinations. On mobile, you may need to open the menu first, but the wording is the same. You're looking for the option labeled New Arrivals. Click New Arrivals. This takes you to Walmart's centralized hub for the latest products added to the site. It's designed to save you from digging through individual departments and gives you a quick snapshot of what's just landed across the store. You'll now see the New Arrivals page. Here, Walmart groups the freshest items into easy sections so you can jump straight to what interests you. Scroll to browse and keep an eye out for sorting and filtering tools. When available, they're helpful for narrowing by price, brand, or delivery options without leaving the page. First up, you'll find Just In Fashion. This section spotlights new clothing, shoes, and accessories. It's useful if you're tracking seasonal drops, capsule collections, or fresh colorways. Check size availability and shipping estimates here, since popular items can move quickly. Next is New in Food and Bevs. This area highlights new snacks, pantry staples, and drinks. It's a handy place to discover limited time flavors or recently launched brands. If you shop groceries online, note whether items are eligible for pickup, delivery, or shipping to your address. You'll also see Just In Tech. Expect the latest gadgets, accessories, and electronics add-ons. Product pages often show release dates and stock status, so it's worth checking those if you're timing a purchase or comparing models. Keep scrolling for Just In. Toys, great for tracking new sets, characters, and seasonal play items. Then Just In Home, which features the newest furniture, decor, kitchen, and bedding pieces, perfect for quick refreshes without browsing every aisle. Finally, look for new arrivals from your favorite brands. This section rounds up fresh drops by popular labels, making it easy to explore what's new from names you already trust. That's it. Go to Walmart, use the top menu, tap New Arrivals, and explore the sections that fit your needs. Check back often. This page updates regularly so you can stay on top of what's new.